Hey guys, let's check out Amol Shriram Matre, a great poet and an author with an ideology to conserve nature.
Hi, myself Amol Matre. I am a government employee. I currently working at my hometown. This is my poetry in Marathi, Lal Parva. This is based on currently behavior of human and their effect on environment.
Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaimed and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that there's a big difference between the modern age and the ghost age. So, on considering the change in human behavior in this modern age and its effect on nature, a terrible future appears before our eyes. I made such a small effort in my poetry to aware people about the reality of this modern time. Further, we have asked him that what are your recent works, describe them in brief. For this, he has answered that I am a government servant, so I do my best to serve the government and the people as much as I can. Next, we have asked him that what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years? Or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? For this, he has answered that I have seen the recent movements of human beings and their behaviors, and I have found a terrible crisis is looming in front of my eyes. So I will continue to try my best to awaken the masses through my poetry. Lastly, we have asked him that is there something you would like to add and share with your audience at large, such as your work ethic, principle, or motive? For this, he has answered that all I want to say to my readers is that with the nature's future in your mind and where your behavior will pose a threat, make sure you know that it will hurt everyone. And do consider also that which organisms will suffer due to your behavior. So, man must act with all these things in mind. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.